Yo, what to do? Get in with your boy. So yeah, here I am trying to. I'm taking my washer and dryer down the steps, taking the old one down, bringing the new ones up, and my dumb ass decided to do it by myself and not wait for help. Getting that dryer down was pretty simple. Wasn't nothing to it but to do it. And then I'm supposed to say type shit. That boy got that strong back. That's why I live. Busting down the new dryer. Of course, hook up the connection. And yes, I was having trouble with it because that one bolt just did not want to